What's up? It's Bishop. I'm back again. And this time I'm going to do a follow-up video on this right here. Iron Infidel's Battle Bottle. You guys saw me do the review earlier here, a couple videos ago. And if not, I'll put it up here. If I remember to put it up here in the card up here so you can click on and check out that review. But I'm doing a follow-up on this. And why am I doing a follow-up on this? Because I got to give you the truth about this bottle. All right? And here's the truth. This damn thing is legit. It's legit, man. Oh my God. This is one of the best products I have reviewed, and I don't know how long. I mean, outside of my hostess, you know I'm a G-Code fanboy. So yes, I still carry my G-Code. I still have it. Yes, I can't let it go. I'm sorry. But this right here, man, oh my God, this thing is awesome. It's awesome. Like I said in that review video I did, that I've been really looking for something like this, you know, that's hard, sturdy, and that carries enough fluid, but still keeps it cold. Man, let me tell you something. I'm gonna break this down to you, okay, real quick. So I'm gonna try to drag this video out about this product. When I say it's legit, this is how legit it is, okay? Now, I field tested this thing a week ago, okay? This is what I did with the test, okay? What I did was I took the can, I put the empty can in the refrigerator. Okay, my fluid and stuff is in there, my Crystal Light and everything I drink. It was already in the refrigerator. Okay, so it's good and cold. So I took this, I took the lid off. All right, put the lid outside, put it without the lid, put the can in the refrigerator, let it sit overnight. All right. So the next day when I needed to use it, I put my fluid in, put my Crystal Light in, about 11:30. All right, because I had to do some stuff, man, as far as we had some training for my arms team for my church, and also had to requalify. I didn't get a chance to requalify earlier in the year, so we had to do a end of the year type deal. So that goes without saying. So from 11:30, got there about like 12, okay? We went through the training. Training went for about like 2 hours, all right? From there, I drank it out there ice cold, okay? Then from there, come out here to my property out here where I grew up, okay? Come out here, had to cut this grass. There's a lot of grass out here, a lot. So cut the grass, did that. That usually takes me about 3.5, 4 hours to cut the grass around here, okay? And my range and everything. So still no problem. I drank this all the way down to the last drop. I'm closing in. By the time when I drank the last little bit out of this can, I was about 6.5, almost 7 hours. Okay, from 11:30 till about 6:30 is when I drank the last of it. Man, this stayed cool all the way to the last drop, to the last bit that I drank out of it. It was still cool. Okay. And it was only yay much. I think I had about like that much left in it, you know, and drinking, and even that was cool when I drank out of it. Hey guys, quick break into the video real quick. I just got to update this from the time that you've seen this video. I did this test again on that day. So what you saw in the video, it was full. I had filled it up at about 10 o'clock in the morning. So when I shot that video, there was fluid in here cold. I didn't stick the can in the refrigerator this time. I just took the cold fluid itself. So I put my Crystal Light in it. 10 o'clock in the morning, went all day, okay? By the time I went to bed, after working all day and doing everything I do, I went to bed around midnight. At midnight, I checked this, took a drink out of it, checked it. It was still cool. That fluid was still cold. It wasn't ice cold like in the refrigerator, but it was noticeably still cool. I'm talking still well below room temperature, man, well below. It was still cool. Amazing. 14 hours, guys. 14 hours on this can. Unbelievable, man. I'm telling you, I'm blown away. Back to the video. Guys, this thing is, if you've seen it advertised, use my code Tactical POV. Put a space in between the tactical and the POV, because I know somebody left me a comment and said they tried my code and said it didn't work. So I reached out to him and he emailed me back and he said he made a mistake and he put the code in wrong. So when he put a space in it, it recognized the code before it didn't work. So he said it works now. So just put tactical space POV, put that space in between there, that code, you get 10% off. I know somebody else left me a comment. I can't remember who it was that left me a comment and said he was on the fence about this because I'm sure he saw it advertised and said he's buying one. Man, if you are on the fence about getting this, get this. Get this. This is no joke, legit. You saw my review. I field tested it, and this is without ice. I didn't put any ice in it. And it's wide enough port where you can put ice in here too as well. But I put no ice in it. I just put the can in the refrigerator the night before, let it stay overnight. My drink was already cold. Took the cold can, poured it in there, screwed on there, stuck it down in the sleeve, took off. Okay, closing in, like I said, about 7 hours. It was cool to the last drop that I drank out of this was cool for 7 hours. As I said, I think in a review, I think they claimed it being it could stay cold like 16 hours or something, though, man. But dude, look, getting 7 hours out of 2 liters here, you know, you might drink it before then. Me, I kind of paced it out because I wanted to test it as far as I could. So I drank it as far as I could and kept holding off on it because I just didn't want to smash it and down it, you know, real quick. I want to see how long is it going to keep fluid cold in it and for how long, even down to the last drop. As I said, I got 7 hours out of it. It was still cool. Legit. I'm not making this up. I was blown away. I'm still blown away by it. I'm like, my God, man. Product's awesome. It's awesome. Without a doubt. Definitely check into this Iron Infidel Battle Bottle. Use my code Tactical POV. Put that space in between the tactical and the POV. Put a little space in there. Put that code in. You get 10% off. Get this thing, dude. I'm so hyped to help promote this a product because it's bona fide legit. This is the best one. I showed you my gallon gear in the review. Gallon gears work okay. But they didn't stay cold. I'm telling you right now, they won't keep that drink as cold as this will that long. They won't, okay? They'll stay cool for an extra hour or so, okay? But that's about it. I got 7 hours, like really close to about 7 hours out of this. And it was cool. It was cool all the way to the last drop. Man, I'm sold. Absolutely. Get this thing, man. Use my code. Don't forget, tactical space in between the POV. Tactical POV, 10% off. Get this. Get this thing, man. Get this. I'll see you on the next one.